This video shows how to use the item number 764 clip with the MegaTree topper. This clip will hold the extreme strip into the topper. Now normally the instructions in the past would use zip ties, but these zip ties have to be cut off when you're disassembling your tree and then reinstalled. This new clip allows you to simply put the clip in here and then slide it in. All right, so the first step is you need to make sure that just cut off whenever you've got this. You'll need this hole for your strip to hold with the clip. And then I'm just going to cut it here and just cut it along the dashed hole line where you'd normally put zip ties. Now, you would put your pixels into the holes and then slide your strip up, which now has all your pixels in it. Put the clip so that the clip is facing the edge where the notches are. So if your notches are on this side and you're alternating back and forth, put the clip so that the clip is on this side and goes into the notches. You'll simply just press. You'll see that there's a little bit of effort here to push this in to make sure it does not pop out. And then that pops in, you can hear it click, and simply just pull it down. You now have a good connection. You can see that it provides plenty of tension. Even if it were to come loose, it still will automatically stay in the hole. And for removal, when you take down your tree, you just simply pop this clip out and you can take out your strip.